my name's Stuart Lofton. This is Halco Welding. Me and my dad started it 45 years ago. I took over 40 years ago. Been running the shop ever since. We work for the Marine District, the city, the state. We do fishing fleets, the fish plants, work for about anybody around here. We do mostly stainless and aluminum work. We do a lot of beam construction also. We service outfits from California up to Alaska. It's a thriving business. It's going 24/7. It's all year round. We don't have any slack time on it. And we have a large clientele. We have a very good reputation in the community. It's a nice community. Things are going well. We have a large shop. We're fully equipped. We can do pretty much everything. We do sandblasting, painting, machining, shearing and forming, MIG and TIG welding. We have big plasma cutters and oxygen acetylene cutting machines for making different parts. We make winches, bait choppers. We have different production jobs for some of the places in town and for the fishing fleets. Do a lot of work for the fish plants, and that's all stainless and aluminum. And that's from California up to Alaska. And we're trying to sell the shop, and everything's going great. We're just getting old and tired and want to retire.